In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure in Canva. We'll start by getting you to the right place and then build a clean, professional brochure you can confidently share or print. First, head to Canva's website and use the search bar to look for brochures. This instantly pulls up a gallery of ready-made designs tailored for brochures, so you don't have to start from scratch unless you want to. Pick a layout that suits your project, like a trifold or a bifold, or choose a blank page if you prefer full control. Templates give you a strong visual foundation, while a blank canvas is great if you already have a clear plan. Before you dive into content, set up your layout with guides. Go to File, then Settings, and choose Add Guides. For a trifold, set the columns to 3. If you're designing a 4-fold, set columns to 4. These guides act like invisible rails, helping you keep text and images away from fold lines and making sure each panel is balanced and easy to read. Now bring your brochure to life using the Elements tab. Add shapes to create sections or color blocks, drop in icons to highlight key points, and use frames to place images neatly. Elements help structure your information so it's scannable and visually engaging. Next, edit your content. Click any placeholder text to rewrite it, and adjust fonts, sizes, and colors for clear hierarchy. Use a bold headline, a readable body font, and consistent spacing so your message flows. For images, upload your own photos or choose from Canva's library, then drag them into frames or directly onto the page. Scale and crop as needed so visuals support your message without overwhelming it. Adjust background and element colors to match your brand, and keep contrast high for readability. Add your branding by uploading your logo and applying your brand colors and fonts throughout. Keep placement consistent and give your logo breathing room so it stands out without crowding other content. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for high-quality results. Select the pages you want and use print settings like CMYK if you're sending the file to a professional printer. If you want a seamless process, you can order prints directly through Canva Print for convenience. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.